Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up Visual Studio Code for front-end web development. So first we will install Visual Studio Code, which is a lightweight integrated development environment by Microsoft that offers extensions for various programming languages. So let's search for VS Code. Click the link and download for your operating system. So once the download is complete, double click the setup file, accept the agreement, click next, and install, and click finish. And that launches VS Code. So next we will create and organize your web files. So you can create a folder anywhere on your computer and open that up in VS Code. So click here, click open folder, select the folder and click select folder. So now we will create an HTML document in that folder. So click File, New Text File, click Select a Language, search HTML, click that, and then type the exclamation mark, hit Tab, and now add a template to your HTML document. Now go to File, Save, and let's name that Index. So within the project folder, you create a subfolder for your style sheet. So right click here, click New Folder. Now let's name that Styles and hit Enter. And with the Styles folder selected, click File, New Text File, click Select a Language, and in here type CSS, click that, and then go to File, Save, and name that as Index as well, and it'll be index.css. So make sure it's within the Styles folder. So in the style sheet, let's write a style that will change the font style of text. So let's go here and then type H1, opening, closing braces, and then type font dash style and type italics and save it. So next we will create a folder for our JavaScript file. So right click, click new folder, and name that scripts. Hit enter, and then go to file, new text file, click select a language, search for JavaScript, go to file, save, and make sure you navigate to your scripts folder, and you can call that index as well. So in the JavaScript file, we will write a function that displays a dialog box. So come here and type function. Let's name the function display message. Type your parentheses and then your braces, and in there type alert, parentheses, and then quotes, and in there just type hello world. let's go outside of this brace and call the display message function. So you can just select it, copy it from here, paste, and then type your semicolon and save. So next we will switch to the HTML document and link to the style sheet and the JavaScript file. So switch to the index.html file, and in here, let's type an opening link tag, and then type a closing link tag. And in the opening link tag, hit space, and then type the rel attribute. Hit enter, and in the quotes, type style sheet. Let's go after this quote, hit space, and then type the href attribute. And in the quotes, we're going to link to the style sheet, which is in the styles folder, and the name of the style sheet is index.css. So in the quotes, type styles, hit enter to fill it up, and then index.css. So next we will link to the JavaScript file. So let's go to the next line and type an opening script tag and a closing one. And in the opening script tab, type src equals quotes, and then we will link to the JavaScript file, which is in scripts. Now let's type that, and then index.js. Now let's go to the body of the page and create a heading. So type an opening h1 tag and a closing h1 tag. And in between the tags, you can type main page. So make sure you save all of your files by going to File, Save All. So last we will add an extension named Live Server, which will allow you to run your web page. So let's click here, and then let's search for Live Server. And right here, click on Install. So once Live Server is installed, you can switch to your files and click the HTML document. And then to open it, right click and then click on Open with Live Server. And you see the JavaScript generate the dialog box, the message hello world. And then when you click OK, you see the page load up with the CSS applied to the heading. And you also see the port where the page is running on. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.